In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate engagement rate in Hootsuite Analytics. First, open Hootsuite and head straight to the Analytics section. This is where all your performance data lives, and it's the best place to get a clear, consistent view across your social profiles. Give the dashboard a moment to load so you're seeing the freshest numbers. Next, choose the specific account, campaign, or individual post you want to review. Be as precise as possible here. If you're evaluating a post, select that single post. If you're evaluating a campaign or a set period, make sure the date range reflects only the time frame you want to measure. Consistency is key. Using the right scope now will make your engagement rate accurate and comparable later. Now locate the engagement numbers. In Hootsuite Analytics, this typically includes likes, comments, shares, and clicks. Depending on the network, these might appear separately or as a combined total. If they're separate, simply add them together to get the total engagement for that post or period. Take a quick look to confirm you're not missing any of the standard interactions listed, likes, comments, shares, and clicks, so your total reflects the full audience response. After that, find the reach or impressions for the same post or time period. Reach is the number of unique people who saw your content, while impressions are the total number of times it was displayed, which can include multiple views by the same person. Either one is acceptable for this calculation, but you should pick one and use it consistently so your future comparisons are fair. With both numbers in hand, do the math, divide your total engagement by your reach or impressions. This gives you a decimal, then multiply that result by 100 to convert it into a percentage. For example, if you have 250 total engagements and 5,000 in reach, 250 divided by 5,000 equals 0.05, and multiplying by 100 gives you a 5% engagement rate. Round to one or two decimal places to keep it clean and easy to read. That's it. You've calculated your engagement rate in Hootsuite Analytics. Use this percentage to understand how compelling your content is for the audience that actually saw it. Track the same metric over time using the same definition, either reach or impressions, to spot trends and compare campaigns or posts on a level playing field. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to measure engagement with confidence.